Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. In front of me I just received another watch. So it's a GMT watch, but I have mixed feelings about it right now because why? Uh, well, you see, Seiko just officially announced their GMT 5KX lineup just a few days ago. So when I received this watch, today, and I'm like, alright, thinking like, did I made the wrong choice again? Did I bought this too early or whatnot? Because this one is a GMT watch and it's not from Seiko. But official price is slightly more affordable or slightly cheaper than the new Seiko 5KX GMT. But yeah, that made me a little uncertain. But well, anyhow, it's already here. And yeah, we don't have a return policy. I cannot simply return this. Or maybe I have. I don't know. I can't remember. If there's defect, I can return it, but I cannot return if there's a change of mind. So we'll have to survive. Well, TW, it's a Timex. Okay, so there's 1 year international warranty. This is model number, it's Timex. Yes, so it's a Q Timex GMT. I believe Timex announced this or launched this not too long ago. It's quite recent, so this is in a way kind of a new release, if you will. So yeah, I jumped the bandwagon, followed the bandwagon, and decided to grab one for myself. The previous Q Timex, the first Q Timex reissue was kind of a hype. I don't know, maybe 2-3 years back, and everybody was like went crazy about it. Went cuckoo about it. I did not purchase it because I had a chance to try one of my buddies' Q Timex, the one with the Pepsi bezel, and I was like, okay. I wasn't really impressed, especially with the bracelet, and it's just a normal watch that is too overhyped. And they did went on to release like a automatic version. There is a bigger, I think 40 millimeters automatic version of the Q Timex, which I was like, okay. And then they decided to release a GMT version, and it's a 38 millimeters. Yes, it's still a quartz, but I had to try it out, right? Because I have not really reviewed or really properly worn a Q Timex before, so I guess it's about time to get one. But unfortunately, or I don't know, after a few days, a few days back, Seiko decided to officially announce their GMT 5KX. So yeah, I'm kind of like in the limbo. But anyhow, the 5KX with the 42 millimeters diameter, although with the short lug-to-lug distance, it's kind of thick. I believe the thickness is around 13 point something millimeters, so it may look too big on my small wrist, but I will have to wait and see. So yeah, let's go on and unwrap or unpeel the watch. So this is the stopper to pull out the crown so that the taking hand does not jump around. Okay, I think we are done. So this is the hang tag. Yep. So the official price. The official price is 1,299 ringgit or Malaysian ringgit. Okay, so the blue, I was thinking that from pictures it's kind of a darker blue, like the Rolex Batman blue, but this one, the blue is lighter than I thought from the pictures. So it's kind of a mix of teal, light blue, cyan, kind of thing. I'm not sure if it's showing up here. The bezel, yes, as usual, just a normal friction fitted bezel. Acrylic crystal, stainless steel case. Let's turn over the watch. Well, the good thing, or maybe good and bad, when you change the battery, you don't have to open up the entire case back. So you there's less risk of damaging or causing anything on the movement inside. So you just need to use a coin or something to pop up the battery cover. And this time around, it comes with a quick release bracelet, which is kind of a surprise. And I think the bracelet is made out of solid links, right? Not too bad. It's quite heavy, quite substantial. Let's see if it's pin or screws. Pins or seems like a pin, quarter pin. Yep, seems to me that way. Yeah, so the bracelet has a combination of brush and polish finishing with more surfaces being of brushed, I guess, which kind of is up my alley because I don't like those super blingy bracelets. Yeah, I'm not too sure if the watch will fit me because the bracelet is like super long. Super, man. I don't know how long. All right. Let's count how many. Well, I can remove quite a lot, so hopefully I can get it to fit. But there is no micro adjustment, so quite tricky. Push-pull crown with the Q there, high polished sides, high polished top, brushed hooded lugs, I would guess this is what we call them. Yep. Not too shabby. Let's play around with the movement. All right, let's see if the date will change. Yep, date change is good. The GMT hand, okay, you can argue that this is not a true GMT because you cannot independently set the hour hand, but rather you can set the GMT hand like so. Okay. Is there any notch or catch? Nope. So it's yeah. I'm a bit surprised because most of the GMT movement that I played with, they have like a indent position where it will just snap onto the nearest hour. But this one, I think it's like really free moving. Right? I can set it to like if it's 10, I can set it to somewhere in between. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it doesn't snap into position, which is kind of awkward. Well, 3 o'clock is supposed to be 15, right? Yeah. Yep, it bothers me a little because it doesn't really snap into position. Okay, weird. But it's okay. And I believe this piece here is powered by a Ronda quartz movement. It's a Ronda quartz with oh, does it fall back to the so it's a Ronda quartz, a GMT quartz, so it's in a way a Swiss movement, but the watch is not Swiss made, obviously. It's made in China. Well, I don't care about Swiss made that much. But yeah, that's it for the first impression. So sorry I dragged on a little longer because I wasn't expecting the GMT hand to behave as such, but yeah, this is what it is. I will be doing a full review on this after wearing it for a couple of months. So if you're interested to know more about the watch, please subscribe to the channel. And I have no promise here, I may get my hands on the Seiko 5KX GMT when it's available. I wouldn't order it online. I will usually go to my favorite watch haunts in Penang, and if they have it, I'm gonna like at least play around with some of them, or I don't know, best case scenario, buy one. All right, till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.